Life is a winding.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. I hope you are keeping well. So today guys, we are cleaning my bathroom doesn't have any cabinet, but I have improvised by using this rack here that can be used as vegetable rack also. Yeah, so I hope guys you will get motivation to clean along with me, or just be motivated to clean wherever part of your house for next time. For now, please be here and let's clean and listen to the nice music, very relaxing music. I hope it doesn't make you sleep, but yeah, thank you so much for tuning in here. I have shown all the cleaning products that I am using. So I haven't cleaned this bathroom I think for 4 days, as I was busy painting my room. I was kind of like really busy. I had a really busy week, and I do leave things to clean there, especially for my daughter. So whenever she's busy there, because this bathroom, it's mainly her, my husband. I bath my son there, and sometimes I don't bath him, his father bathes him. So yeah, I haven't been on this bathroom, so it was very dirty, like disgustingly very dirty. Yeah, anyway, it is what it is. You cannot always depend on people to clean for you, but you know what, they do whatever they can when they can. Yeah, so I was using my shower. I usually brush my teeth that side, do everything that side, and I'm out. So yeah, I had a hectic week, so that's why I didn't clean this place. So I said, let me just clean with you guys and do a thorough cleaning of this place. And also got maybe I think 3 storage containers that I bought. 2 I bought at Pep and 1 I bought at Crazy, and new mats. That's it on the guys. And I also have a DIY. I'll explain about it later on.
'Cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we kissed. Don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night, and it's been like this ever since we.
Okay guys, so this is not a recent DIY. It's just a small decor that I made some time back, but I'm just like re-putting it nicely today. It was actually looking nice guys, like this. So there inside that wine bottle I actually put blue food coloring, and the stones, it used to be near the bathtub, but then my son plays with it, so I've decided to move it and make a new decoration in a different place in my bathroom. And the stones, yeah, I decided just to put them in the wine glass. That small navy blue vase, I got it as a present 2 years ago and I didn't know where to use it. Finally, I know where to use it now. Thank you, friend. I love it. Actually, navy is my favorite color, so that's why she got for me that thing. But just that always when I go to the shop and I see navy, I really don't know where to put it in my house, so that's why I didn't know where to put it. But thank you so much. Finally, I'm using it, and thank you so much for all your support. You've been the best friend ever. Thank you so much. I'm not even talking about YouTube, I'm just talking about what happens privately, guys. But thank you so much. If ever you come across this video, thank you so much for always being a good friend to me. Thank you so much.
But the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like ever since we. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night, and it's been like this ever since we.
Okay guys, a quick intro for those of you who are new on my channel. A stay-at-home mom, wife, blessed to be a mother of 2. On this channel I share cleaning motivational videos, cooking inspirational videos, and some DIY there and there. I like to share more of DIY. Hopefully next year, once my son has gone to the daycare, that will happen more. I generally just share my mommy life struggles, and yeah, I'm just here to inspire other ladies, as I have gotten inspiration from someone else. So thank you so much for being here. If you enjoy this kind of content, kindly subscribe to this channel and let's grow this family. Thank you so much for watching. And just a quick want to find out from my subscribers, whoever comes to watch my videos, what do you guys prefer? Like, what do you honestly prefer? Do you honestly like me talking more or talking less? Honestly, as for me, what I like is silent videos, because I'm really not gifted at explaining myself. Sometimes I find that I'm being misunderstood majority of the time when I talk. So I do prefer to share silent videos that just like I'm never feeling bad about that at the end of the day. Like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have said that. I don't know. I'm just not gifted with my words. So that's why I do prefer silent videos. But for you guys, if you still like I must talk, I will talk. But I just wanted to find out from you, if you are my genuine subscriber and you happen to be watching my full video, you will definitely write an answer for me in the comment section. Thank you so much for being here, and this is where I'm just going to say bye bye. Thank you guys for your support. I'll see you on my next upload.
Every single night, I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night, and it's been like this ever since we. Lately I have had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light. All I want is to get some shut-eye, but my thoughts are keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we kissed. I try my best to keep my mind occupied so that I can focus on anything but you. 'Cause all I want is to get some shut-eye, but the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, don't know what he